The fourth talk which I listened to and watched was Observability Driven Development by Jessica Kerr. And even before I started listening to the talk, I absolutely loved the idea of developers using observability tooling. Too often, in my experience, observability is a thing which is hoarded by a small number of senior operations engineers or tech leads, and developers either are not included or not interested in some cases. And there's so much missed opportunity there. So what an awesome idea. Jessica showed the use of a tracing tool to see each function call which was happening as the code is executed, how long it's taking to get a really clear picture. And she instrumented code using OpenTelemetry in her talk, which is really awesome to see. I had a question there in my mind, which is, do developers think about how long their code takes to execute? Is that a general thing which all developers do, or is it something that particular experienced developers do? I actually don't know the answer to that question. I never worked as a developer. The OpenTelemetry code examples in the real world, fantastic. They were examples rather than the real world, but it's good to see it in action. I liked the idea that she raised around utilizing the same observability tooling in production as was used during development. Of course, why not do that? If everyone is used to using the same tooling, then if an issue occurs in production, then all developers are going to be able to find the issue a lot faster because they're used to using these tools to debug and identify issues. So yeah, really love that idea of using the same consistent process and tooling for production and development. I also liked her focus on showing business or customer impact because of a change being made to some code. That's brilliant. I'm always a massive proponent for that. And overall, she was a very engaging speaker, a really concise presentation as well. Actually, going to say one of the best conference talks I've seen in quite a while. So if you're going to watch o11yfest, which I highly recommend you do, I definitely recommend checking out Observability Driven Development by Jessica Kerr.